Governor Charles Soludo just got a major endorsement ahead of the 2025 gubernatorial elections, you all. And guess who is leading the charge? The students. And they didn't just stop at words. They put their money where their mouths are. A whopping 2 million naira. What? So students from all over Anambra State, all the tertiary institutions in Anambra State, they have come together in a strong show of support and love for Governor Charles Soludo's re-election in 2025, which will be happening by November. And to prove their seriousness, they collectively raised the sum of 2 million naira to purchase his expression of interest form. So basically, there's a form to be purchased to show your interest in the second tenure. Think about it, students voluntarily coming together, gathering funds and making a public statement like this one. That's not something you see every day, not at all. So what's really behind this massive show of love? Well, according to them, Governor Charles Soludo has been a game changer in Anambra State so far. Here are some of the reasons they are rallying behind him. They said since he took office, Soludo has made bold reforms in the education sector.
Let's go, Obligated 4 plus 4 equals to 8. His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Anambra State, the Shalom Bafo, the working governor, all our to the poor cases, the youth governor, the student-friendly governor, who empowerment to more. The only governors now, all open up with 2 skills and the power of your weapon name. I sky the top. In a year back, we want to endorse you for second tenure. As Naide where who I name. The Nigerian students in Anambra State, the Anambra State students gathered on their own and contribute some pay to 200, some pay 1,000, some pay 500. And today, we are supporting you with, for second tenure, Anambra State students, statewide megawatt, donated to Professor Charles Soludo, sum of 2 million naira. By the power bestowed on me as the chairman, JCC Anambra State, the commander-in-chief of all our local forces, the 001 of 001, I am the commander-in-chief, and today I am here with all the SUG presidents with capacities. They are going to have the student executive power. We hereby present this 2 million naira to you for second tenure. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Many students and young graduates have benefited from various skills acquisition and entrepreneurship programs launched under Soludo's administration. So instead of waiting for white-collar jobs, young people are now creating their own businesses. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. With this endorsement, Soludo's second-term bid is already gaining momentum as we speak. The backing of the student community could influence public opinion and sway more support in his favor. But will this gesture be enough? Will Soludo face strong opposition in 2025? We'll keep our fingers crossed and see about that. Are there other political heavyweights are in this same governorship seat? After all, David Umar already said, as long as he's concerned, there are no political opponents.
So I want to thank you so much, sir. I feel so relaxed. Your humility, the man of the people. And sir, it takes a man like you to govern Anambra State. And I continue to commend you, sir. Your relationship with Mr. President. Not because in office, because you have had that relationship. You have reached out. And so I commend you very highly. And that's what our igbos brothers and sisters need to do. You have any opposition here? I'm not seeing them. The transactional politicians who want to compete with you. I don't know who, the people that are decided. But if I were from Anambra, and if I have the right to vote, after going through here, if I'm contesting, going through this project, I will be humbled. If I'm humbled, for what I achieved in the policy, who else will not be humbled? So leave that matter, it's there for God's hand. But I think Anambra people are very, very proud of the government. I got not dog. man don't get time. You don't get time at all. And he has since moved.
What do you think about this bold move by Anambra students? Do you think Soludo deserves a second term? Meanwhile, please, my people, what kind of dance is this in Igbo land? I came across this dance, looking closely at it, it looks so funny. What part of Igbo land dances like this? If you know, kindly let me know in the comments, because I don't know what kind of dance is this, and I don't know what part of Southeast dances like this. Please, if you know, like I said, let me know in the comment section.